In an era of unparalleled global connectivity, events in one corner of the world can send reverberations throughout the entire international economic landscape. Japan, a major economic powerhouse, recently faced a dual crisis: the January 2024 earthquake and the subsequent airplane collisions. This essay explores the interconnectedness of the global economy and delves into how these recent crises in Japan have sent ripples across international markets and industries. Japan's role in the global economy. Economic significance. As the third largest economy globally, Japan plays a pivotal role in shaping the dynamics of international trade, investment, and finance. Key industries such as automotive, electronics, and manufacturing are deeply embedded in global supply chains, influencing economies around the world. Global market presence. Japanese corporations have a significant global market presence, with multinational conglomerates driving innovation, trade, and technological advancements. The interconnectedness of Japan's economy with the rest of the world establishes it as a linchpin in the intricate web of international economic relations. Economic impacts of the January 2024 earthquake. Disruption to global supply chains. The earthquake disrupted Japan's manufacturing and supply chain operations, impacting industries reliant on Japanese components. The ensuing shortages and production delays had a cascading effect on global industries, from automotive and electronics to consumer goods. Market volatility. The economic shockwaves emanating from Japan's earthquake triggered market volatility on a global scale. Investors and businesses worldwide closely monitored the repercussions, leading to fluctuations in stock markets, commodity prices, and currency exchange rates. Airplane collisions and the aviation industry. Global aviation networks. Japan's position as a major aviation hub facilitates extensive global connectivity. The airplane collisions not only disrupted domestic air travel but also had far-reaching consequences for international flights, affecting airlines, manufacturers, and related industries. Impact on aerospace companies. The collisions resulted in increased scrutiny of aerospace safety standards, affecting Japanese and international aerospace companies. Concerns over airplane safety had spillover effects on global aviation stakeholders, influencing stock values and investor confidence. International cooperation in crisis response, a multinational assistance. In the face of Japan's dual crises, international cooperation played a crucial role in providing assistance and support. Nations worldwide collaborated to offer aid, resources, and expertise, demonstrating the interdependence of economies in times of crisis. Diplomatic and economic alliances. The crises highlighted the importance of diplomatic and economic alliances. Collaborative efforts to address the challenges faced by Japan underscored the interconnected nature of global economies, emphasizing the need for solidarity in navigating unforeseen challenges. Lessons learned and future preparedness. Risk mitigation strategies. The recent crises prompted a reassessment of risk mitigation strategies in global business operations. Companies and nations alike are now compelled to enhance their preparedness for unforeseen events, recognizing the potential economic ramifications on a global scale. Strengthening global resilience. The interconnectedness revealed by Japan's crises underscores the need for strengthening global resilience. Enhanced collaboration, contingency planning, and improved crisis response mechanisms are vital for minimizing the economic impact of future unforeseen events. Conclusion. Japan's recent crises, the earthquake and airplane collisions, have illuminated the intricate web of global economic interdependence. The interconnectedness of supply chains, financial markets, and international cooperation underscore the reality that events in one part of the world can send ripples across the entire globe. As nations and businesses reflect on the lessons learned from these crises, the imperative to foster resilience, collaboration, and strategic preparedness becomes central to navigating the uncertainties that define our interconnected world.